Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Just a quick video right now because I've got a workshop to get ready for. And I want to look at Peabody because this is a really solid pattern. It's a really nice cup and handle pattern. There's the old cup. That was a really bad drawing. I'm going to have to take this off. Not much better, but anyway, there's the cup. And then this is the handle right here. And we finally got a blast off. Now, the issue is, frankly, see, this has been looking good for a while. It really has. And, you know, I made a mistake and bought a little too soon here. I mean, still a darn good trade. But, you know, I bought a little too soon here. I think it was more up here. And the reason was I was not, I mean, I like the moving average crossover, but I wasn't really keying on how far above this price was from these key moving averages. You know, it's up almost 60%. And so, you know, we got a little breakout here, which is fine. High volume, I think that's the time to go, right? But then, of course, as soon as you think that's the case, the stock comes back around and breaks your heart. So it needed a little more room. This, I think, this thing here was actually good. It was healthy for the stock. This washout here, it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't. It doesn't mean anything. Now, back here it did. You think, okay, we'll turn out the lights, the party's over, institutions are selling. And then the very next day or two, when it starts doing this, you realize, no, the institutions weren't selling. If they were selling, this wouldn't be back up higher than it was just a few days ago. So what this really did was it just kind of cleared out all the weak hands. Now I think this stock's ready to go again. And this could very easily run up to 25, and my bet is 30. So I like this, and this is another thing. I like it on the weekly chart. You know, I haven't seen stocks that you know, that get up there and then just start falling. You know, I've seen them kind of oscillate around here a bit, but then ultimately they start moving higher. So anyway, I like this. I hope you do. Peabody, more than a character on Rocky and Bullwinkle.